The first step is to give ChatGPT the core idea of the project and let him work for us. Let's see how it looks for a first step. We need to fix some issues. ChatGPT didn't add gravity, and there is too many balls. I encountered several errors that were fixed in a snap. Let's see the second result. Okay, that's a little better, but the gravity isn't applied as I would like, and there is still too many balls. Let's see how it looks now. What? Are you completely stupid, ChatGPT? What is that shit? I didn't ask for that. Fix it, robot. Well, I'll have to do it myself. It created stupid stuff that was useless and make the program bug. Still, in just 15 minutes, I got a clean result that would have taken me 2 hours solo. Despite its flaws, this AI builds fast, and that's profitable. Now, let's add some sound to make the result more satisfying. I need to upload my bounce sound effect and to rename it, and after that, it works perfectly. Oops, not so perfectly. Let's fix the bounce bug. Okay, now that's almost perfect. We just need to add a random velocity and make the ball grow at each bounce, and we will be able to generate hundreds of viral shorts. We finally need to fix the radius increment, and here's the result.